So to create the card base is really, really easy. You want one sheet of card which measures 10 by 8 and one which measures 11 by 8. And you're going to score them both at 2.5, 5, 7.5, and for the slightly longer one you score it at 10 as well. So when you've got your two, you're just going to concertina fold them. And then you want a little bit of liquid glue, which you're going to put on this tab you've created here. Now I actually want that join there to be at the back, not at the front, so I'm going to change the fold, it won't hurt, and just concertina it the other way. And that is just so that you can't see that join absolutely is at the back. So your card base should look like that. Now my mats and layers here, my mats measure 2.25 by 7.25, sorry, 7.75, and my layer is 2 by 7.5. And I'm just going to flip it over and into these middle two here, so I'm covering up this seam, I'm going to put a piece to put my message on. And that wants to be 7.75 by 4.75, and my white paper in the middle is 7.5 by 4.5, and I've scored it at 2 3/8, just so that seam goes nicely down this seam here. And if we line it up correctly, you then want 4 pieces of card which are 5 by 2.5, and you're going to score that at 2.5. So you should have 4 pieces that look like that. These each need folding in half, so down that score line, and then we're going to attach these onto our concertina. So if we take our card base, we're going to attach it onto this piece here, we're going to miss this piece, and we're going to attach it onto here. So you want to attach them onto every fourth, so it will glue on like that. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on half of this, just like so. It is liquid glue, so I have got a bit of wriggle room, but I don't want it all to slop out, so I am just going to use my finger to just rub it in. And to start with, I'm just going to glue it onto this first panel here. You want to be about 3/4 of an inch from the top. Yeah. And I want to bring it so that it's about halfway down my panel. This card's quite easy because this paper's quite easy because this paper's got a line on that I can work with. And I'm going to do that with my next piece as well. Then I'm going to move it so that my concertina folds are like that before I put my glue on these bits here. Remember, you've used liquid glue, so if it's not straight when you've done it and you're not happy with it, you should have time to sort it out. And then just fold it over, bring it about halfway. Like I said, if you're not happy, you've still got time to play with it, and fold them in like that. So repeat that on both sides and it should look like that when it stands up, and like that when we're laid flat at the moment. So for my little square mats and layers, my mat is 2.25 by 2.25 with the layer 2 by 2. And for these final two, I have used the Made to Surprise birthday surprise stamp set. I've used the camera and the cheers, and some Nouveau drops in dirty bronze. So I'm just going to bob them onto my two mats, and then they'll go on my card panel itself. So I'll speed this bit up for you. And just for my final middle panel, which is going to be my sentiment, the green piece of card measures 5 by 1 inch, and the white is 4 3/4 by 3/4. I'm going to stamp my happy birthday, which is out of the Made to Surprise Let's Hear It for the Girls, and I'm going to stamp that in Memento Cottage Ivory. So we're then going to score this at 2.5. I've got some glue there, just a minute, wipe that away first. 2.5, and you want to fold it back on itself. And then we want some glue on either side in here. And then it's going to sit like that. So I've glued that down, but I just want to make sure that I've got it square. So I'm just going to fold it back and push it in so that it's in line with these. The beauty of liquid glue. Wiggle it back where I want it. There we go. So there we have it. I have finished my camera off with some glossy accents, and I should have probably, in an ideal world, I'd have put some Nouveau drops on here before I stuck it down, but I won't get them to sit flat now. So we'll leave it like that. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.